Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to cook a beautiful prawn fettuccine pasta. It's so simple, and under 30 minutes you can cook this pasta. You just need one pan in fettuccine, prawn, basil, chili flakes, lemon juice, olive oil, and chicken stock, and that's it. And I hope you guys like it. So let's get it done. So to cook this pasta, you need prawns, raw prawns, around 12 I put here, or you can add more if you like, and cherry tomatoes, fresh basil, fettuccine pasta, salt, chili flakes, lemon, garlic cloves, chicken stock, extra virgin olive oil, and cooking olive oil, and you can add Parmesan cheese, and that's all you need.